Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook lookalike audience from your email list. And this is a great way to increase your sales when you run Facebook ads, whether you are an Etsy seller, whether you have your own small business, or you have your own handmade business. So this is pretty much for anyone out there that wants to increase their sales on Facebook. So if you want to learn how to do so, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So before I show you how to create the Facebook lookalike, I want to talk about what exactly is a Facebook lookalike audience. Now, a lookalike audience is a way to reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business, like your products and services, because they are similar to your existing customer list. So essentially, this is why it's really important to build your email list as a small business owner, or even as a big business owner. You're able to take that list that you have created from your Etsy store or from your Shopify store or your business in general, and take that list, put it on Facebook, create a similar audience based on that list. And that's going to help you remarket your products to new people who already showed some interest in products and services similar like yours. And the benefit of that is that it will help you increase your sales. And this is something that is really, really important. And this is why I wanted to make a video to enlighten you guys for the new year to try something different. So let's go ahead and dive in. So in order to do this, you need to have your email list saved in a CVS file. It's the only way that it will work. So all you will have to do is go to your email provider, whether it's AppWeber, MailChimp, Sumo, ConverterKit, whatever you use, and you go through them and you download your entire email list, whether it's 10 people or 20,000 people or more. And you know it's going to download as a CVS file, and then you're going to go back to your Facebook Business Manager, and you're going to head over to the Facebook toolbar, and from here you're going to select audience, and it's going to take you to the window that we were just in. Once you're in here, all you have to do is upload the list basically. So you click on create a lookalike audience, and from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a custom audience. I'm going to do customer list. I'm going to use a file that doesn't include LTV. From here I'm going to select that I got this file directly from customers. So if you got the file from a partner, you would choose partner. If you're growing your own email list in your blog, then you would do directly from customers. And if you got your email list from, let's say, your own website, but also from like an agency or partner, then you would do the first one. So I'm going to do directly from customers. And I'm going to upload the file. I already have it in my computer. So here it is. And from here, I'm going to call it weight loss list. That's what I'm going to call it. So from here, you're good already. So you're going to click on next. And it's going to start uploading it. You're going to click on upload and create. And from here, it's just going to create it for you. What I would prefer, instead of doing the create a lookalike audience from here, just click on done. And keep in mind that the list can take up to 1 day for it to be approved. From my case right now, it's been approved right away, but it could take up to 24 hours. So just keep that in mind. Once you upload the list, all you will need to do is create the lookalike audience. So you will go here and you will click on lookalike audience. And from here, you will select from the list. So I'm going to type in if I could type loss list, because that's where I'm pulling from. Oops. Okay, let's see. Here it is. Boom. And from here, I'm going to create 3 different audiences. I'm going to create, my first one is going to be from 0 to 1%. My second is going to be from 1% to 2%. And my third one, I'm going to do 2 to 10%. And I'm going to create an audience. So these are my audiences here. Before, you were able to choose your audience demographic, like where you wanted to target, whether it was the US or any other country, through the lookalike, creating the lookalike. But now you would do that when you actually run the Facebook ad. So just keep that in mind. But these will be saved in my lookalike audience now. So whenever I'm ready to create my Facebook ad and I'm doing my ad, on the section that shows you your demographics and you're choosing who you want to target, you will have this list here that you'll be able to go in there and choose. You could group them together and target all three, or you could just do one at a time and see which one works better for you. Keep in mind that when you do run Facebook ads, in order to be successful, it's all about testing. So you do different so if you do one campaign, you should be running anywhere from 3 to 6 campaigns of that one campaign with different audiences. And you do that for a matter of 1 to 2 days. And based on how they perform, the ones that perform really, really well, and you start converting and making money from, those are the ones that you keep. And the ones that didn't make you any money are the ones you turn off. And that's how you test which ones are working for you, which ones are not working for you, which ones you need to keep, which ones you need to scale to the next level. It's that simple, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And thank you guys for watching.